All done, tubers. Finished system. Awesome. Just shovel the driveway. It's still coming down. Yeah, buddy. It's supposed to snow for a few more hours at least. That's probably like, I don't know, 3.5, 4 inches. It's not too bad. Steep driveway. But you know what? The good thing about a steep driveway is you get a snowplow shovel and you just push it right down the driveway and push to the sides. So it's not so bad. Yeah, buddy. Got the little Sparky snug into the garage. My phone's getting covered in snow, but keeping at least half of it dry. Probably could pull the whole thing in, but maybe I will. I don't know. It's our first real good snowfall. I think we're going to get like 7, 8 inches tonight out of the storm. I got my little headlamp on. Most of this light's coming from my phone, but you can see that's the headlamp I was talking about. $3.50 at the Family Dollar store. You can't beat that. It's quite handy. Yeah, buddy. Gives me enough light to see what I'm shoveling. Works great. And that's the light from my phone. Nice and bright. Yeah, buddy. Oh, got flying geese going by. Well, it's coming on good. So just a little update for you guys. Hope you all had a great week so far. God bless. Stay confident about home, my peeps.